So for this question, I asked you to answer how many total COVID deaths were there in each U.S. state as of August 30th, and which one had the fewest. I had largely written out the code for you, but there were two problems that you needed to fix. The first is that inside of the group by function down here, we were missing the thing we wanted to group on. In this case, the thing we wanted to group on was the column containing our states. So the column is called state, so I'm just going to write state there. And then the other thing that it was missing is inside of our summarize function, we needed to tell it what we were going to summarize, essentially. The question was asking how many total COVID deaths were there in each U.S. state as of August 30th. So the thing we want to put in here in order to total them up is the function called sum. And the thing we want to sum is the column that contains information about deaths. And so that's just called deaths. So I'm going to put that in there. And then we can go ahead and run it. And we can see, because I sorted it from lowest to highest, that Vermont was the state that had the lowest number of deaths. So go ahead and put that answer in here. Just to go over one more time what's happening, creating a new object called least COVID death state. This could be anything, but we're calling it something that describes what we're doing. We're starting with COVID county, our raw data, and then we are grouping by the state column to put all of the counties in each state together to treat them as, part of one thing. And then we are summarizing. When we summarize, we're creating this, in this new data frame, a single column called total deaths. And what are we putting in total deaths? Well, we're adding up all of the deaths in each county and each state, totaling them together to create one column, or one number for each state. And then we are sorting lowest to highest on this newly created total deaths column, which is why we got Vermont at the top. Okay, if you didn't get that answer, just go ahead and edit it and see where you went wrong.